Hello guys, welcome to my channel. You wouldn't believe how many people came at me verbally for spreading AI demon. And I am going to put this straight. Artists are scared that AI will take their job. And after what I am going to show you, I get it. The AI makes reference picture, the AI makes base model, and it barely needs fixing. I am not saying that it's perfect or problems free. I'm just saying that it's real and it's fast. In this video, we are going to use AI from Creality Cloud. MakeNow MakeMe. You can use photo, drawing, any kind of picture, but I am going to use AI generated reference picture. I'm going to use ChatGPT. I will post link in the description. Creality Cloud is running the Year of the Horse contest right now, so we are making a horse for it. Now I will paste the prompt. You can use any prompt you like, or you can use the same one as I am using. I will post the prompt into the description of the video. I am going to speed up generation. Okay, here we go. This is our picture. I really like this horse. Let's save it. Now that we have our reference picture, let's go to the Creality Cloud website. I'll also put that link in the description. Once you are on the site, go to the top menu and click Make Now. It opens a new page where you can choose from different presets. In this video, I'm going to use CubeMe, Mini-Me, so I'll click Start Creating. Now click New Project. On the next screen, we need to upload our picture, so you can drag and drop it or click to browse your files. Once it's uploaded, click Generate Stylized Image, and then choose Other so we can edit the prompt ourselves. We are going to change the top field, Style Preference. I will put wooden, wrinkled, a horse made of wooden veins like on reference picture. And press Confirm. This is our first result. I really like this horse, but I'm still going to regenerate to see what we're gonna get. I'm going to replace wooden and wrinkled with tree bark and wooden aesthetic. Yeah, I like the first one more. I'm going to regenerate another one. I'll now replace tree bark and woodgrain aesthetic with cartoony young. Oh, look at this baby horse! But I'm still going to choose the first one that we created. Let's now press Generate 3D Model and I will speed up the video. The model actually came out really good and it almost doesn't need fixing. Now we need to download our FreeMF file. Now we can open the file in Creality Print, so we can export the STL and import it to Blender. Let's remove cube, camera and light and import the horse. Exporting model from Creality Print always moves pivot point, so let's just move the model to the center. Let's go into edit mode, press A to select all, press Z on the gizmo in top right corner and press G to move the model to the center. Now the model is facing X-axis. To be able to use the setting to put seams onto the back in Creality Print, we want our model to face -Y. So let's rotate it, press RZ 270 and press enter. We are just going to remove little floating element that is under one of the paws. Hover your mouse over it and press L to select it. Now press Del to delete it. We were very lucky this time, the mesh looks really good. But I am going to use a little bit of inflate brush in sculpt mode to make the hair strands thicker. So let's go into sculpt mode and let's select inflate brush and let's change the brush size to about 450. So just brush slightly the ends of the hair. The model is uneven at the bottom, so we are going to use boolean. Add a cube to the scene and press Shift Z to scale only on X and Y axis. Now select the horse, go to the modifier tab in the properties panel and add modifier generate boolean. Now for the object, select the cube. You can hide the cube to see the model better. Time to export it. And now in Creality Print we need to import the model. Remember to use supports and adjust settings. Now that's all set up, we can slice. Let's send it to the printer. Now let's check printing time-lapse on K2 Plus Combo built-in camera. Very satisfying to look at. Finally, our horse is ready. And now let's remove all those supports. And this is ready printed model. If you like it as much as I do, please leave me a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye!